Okay, friends, welcome back again to our training videos on virtual classroom and school system with Google Teach. So in this particular video, we want to see how we can send information to teachers, to parents. Are you getting it? Or guidance virtually. That means, every parent wants to actually know what's going on in the school. And since you are running a virtual school, it wouldn't be making sense to run a virtual school and you are busy writing letters to children. No. Every information should go through the parents online. So the way we do these things is very, very easy. It's very, very easy. So most like we taught in our previous lesson, creating folders. Now, in most cases, if you, for instance, you have SS1 class, like I have here, this is SS1 class right now, and you want to, this is a Google Drive I'm using now because you know what? Every work you do in all your Google Classroom work, your virtual classroom, Google Form, Google Doc, Google Slide, Google Sheet, the Google Classroom, everything you do, they are all saved here automatically in the drive. So the drive is like where all of them meet. So once you are opening the Google Drive, you are going to see all other contents. All those contents you've created, you're going to see all of them. So that's what we're saying. Now, what you do is this. You can now create a folder for those parents. For instance, you think you want to, if it's a general information, you create a folder for all parents folders. So you now give all the parents access to that folder. That means every information you drop there, they can have access to it. It's a question of, if you have another group like on WhatsApp, you say, parents, check your folder. Something is in the folder. They go there and check on it and see. Some of them on their own will be checking up to see if there's anything there. And that's how it happens. Now, but apart from that, another way to do this is that, when you create, for instance, each class folder, there are parents for each class. Normally in a school system, a particular parent may have access to SS1, JS3, JS1. Maybe he has a child in JS1, JS3, and SS1. So give him access to all the folders. So how do you give access? This is exactly what we want to teach. So this is SS1 class now in the folder. Now I'm going to click on this 3 arrow, whatever here. Now see what I'm going to do. I open it. You are going to see these options. So as you see the option that says share. Before you share it, click on the option that says manage access. Please, very important. Let's see. I'm going to tell you why that area is very important. Now, manage access. I've opened it. You are seeing me, the creator of this thing. I'm here. That means I have access to it. Now, this one says restricted. Only people added can open with the link. Now, what does it mean? It means that I can decide to, if I have 10 parents in this class and I want them to have access to all the materials in this class, it may not be only the parents, my top leaders must have, because the top management staff should have access to, like the principal of the school, maybe I'm a class teacher now, they should have access to. So I will click on this. Look at this place. If I click here now, I will add all of them through email. So when I add all their emails, they will receive email alert and they will click to join. That means I've added all of them. They will now have access. Now, but apart from that, there's another way I can do this. If I don't want to go that, I'll remove this restriction. I'm going to change it. I change restriction. Now look at what I want to put on it. I click here. Instead of saying only people added can open, I now choose on anyone with the link. That means I want to share the group link or the folder link or that link of this particular folder. Are you getting it? So once I share this link, whoever that received the link, instead of me going to be typing their email one after the other, it's a question of, I know where maybe on WhatsApp group I created a class, a kind of a group for all my SS1's parents. All I need to do is to go there, or even if we have all the parents, I will now go there. So, okay, please, all the parents for JS1, look at your folder link. Click to join. All the I get it. So I share the link. Now I'm sharing this link. The next thing you need to do, is, are you seeing here? You're seeing viewer. Let me tap into this drop-down menu. You are now seeing viewer, commenter, editor. What does that mean? These are things you must know when you are dealing with all this file sharing. It's for confidentiality. Now, if I leave it as viewer, what I'm saying is that anything I post in this folder, all the people that are going to have access to this folder can only view the contents. They can't do anything on it. But if I put it on commenter, I'm doing it in a way whereby maybe the materials I want to share is the one I will expect parents to comment on it. That means they could say, okay, what of this? They can say something. They can make comments. So in that case, I will not just put on view. I will not place it on commenter. That means they will not only view, but they can make comments on those materials. If it is a result of their children, they have right to comment or what is really happening, so that I can also give them a feedback based on their questions. But if I put it on editor, that means I permitting these people that are having access to this folder that they can even change some things that I've written in the folder. They have power to edit it. You understand? To start writing or even delete some things I've written. If it's a text, they can delete it, do some things and all that. And that question you ask yourself, will you give your parents access to class folders that they can also edit? Definitely no. So most times, the best option will always to use viewer option. And that's the one that is there. So leave it at this point. At this point, once it's like this, you now go here. You see this? This is a sign of link. It's a hyperlink. Copy it. I've copied it. Immediately you see this thing down here, I've copied that link. So anywhere I share this link now, anybody that clicks through that link have access to this SS1 folder. Remember, I'm using this as an example. You know what your own folder is all about. You created one for SS1, for SS2, for all the classes. So that's exactly how to do that. With this now, you can share information to your parents. You don't need to be every day you're releasing information. All you need to do is just, you give them access. So every information you post on that folder, all of them that have access to that folder, they will always access it. Parents, make sure you visit your child's class folder every day to see if there's a new announcement. You tell them. And if you think you should be reminding them on a WhatsApp group, good. If you don't think you should do that, you have already told them all our information is on our folder. So those of you in SS1, always check that folder. Stop asking too many questions. These are to run online class. Perfect. So sweet. I'm stopping at this point. If you are new to this channel, we'll do stuff like this. Join us. Subscribe, follow us, and don't forget to like this video as well as to share it with your community. If you want to join an online class where we'll train more on all of this, please let me know through the comment box, and I'm going to tell you how to be part of the ongoing class and others that are coming forward. I wish you the best. I remain your EdTech consultant, Chima the Educator. Wish you the best. Thanks for watching.